kit that we received from TECKWRAP that has some really nice fall colors in it. It included like this purple, some greens, some blacks. I'm gonna use one of the black and green colors today. We're gonna use their transfer tape as well. Okay, so don't skip this step. It's very important. It's gonna make that permanent vinyl more permanent, okay? Now to add it to the canvas, simply click the icon, and what this does is gonna bring in the wrap template exactly the size that it needs to be to wrap perfectly around Starbucks cold cups, okay? So click curve, and notice if we slide it to the left, it goes up into a smiley shape. If we slide it to the right, it goes down into a rainbow. Okay. Notice how it cuts out what we designed of the orange ring, and now we can see through to the gray wrap template in the background. That's exactly what we want. Perfect. So let's add that pumpkin to our canvas. So that brings in our pumpkin, and let's bring it down to about maybe like an inch. And we're just gonna kind of duplicate these. To duplicate them, just hit the plus sign and have fun. And now I think we filled it in. Look at it, it's so cute, you guys. All right, and then if you want to mix up some of the orientations, so it's not all like the same everywhere. Go ahead and select all of the black leaves by holding Shift and selecting them from the layers panel. So I think we have them all selected. And now do the same thing. Hit attach at the bottom of the layers panel. Notice we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 mats. And we check them. And look, everything's attached. It's in its correct place. Perfect. Just search for vinyl, takes you straight there. And let's do premium vinyl. Done. There we go. Okay, so let's TECKWRAP has these really nice squeegees. It has this little ridge here that you can place your cup so that it doesn't roll off your table. Nice. And then we're gonna use, has a little fine tip, I can't see it, that helps you weed, okay? So we got our tools ready. This is working like a dream. Loving this. To make sure we don't rip up any pieces that we need. Now this is when our fine needle weeding tool comes in handy. We'll do the same thing. We'll start in the corner, lifting up the vinyl, pulling back at a sharp angle. So see how that kind of popped up on me a little bit? Those little stems. This is a nice and sticky vinyl. Okay, just going over the whole thing. Turn it over and peel the backing off slowly of the orange, okay? Oh, see that one popped up? Scrape that down. That one's popping up too. And it might be just because of the finish of this green has like a soft coating to it, so it's not as sticky. Away from, oh, look, we picked up another flower. Them flowers do not want to stick to the transfer tape. I'm sure they'll stick good to the cup because they are very sticky on their adhesive side, but they do not want to stick to my transfer tape. Ooh, look at that foil. Woo-hoo. That's why that black is so shiny. It has a foil undercoat. Yes. Look at this. The whole design on one sheet. Okay, that looks good. And I'm going to kind of smooth that down in the middle So once it's laying on there, I'm just gonna kind of smooth it down. A lot of details, so you wanna make sure that it gets pushed down really good, okay? Broken plastic there. Keep pulling back, holding it down. And almost done, almost done. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, all done. You did it. You made your own custom Starbucks cold cup with 4 different colors of adhesive vinyl.